Hi and welcome everyone, Daniela here, and I'm working with the February main kit today, the embellishment kit and the cardstock kit, and I want to show you how I use the color kit, the stamps, and I also work with the arch metal dies from the January kits. So, I start my page by adding some color splashes. I just use the blue ink that we get in the color kit, mix it up with some water, and yeah, just add some splashes here and there with a common brush, and then set the paper aside and just leave it to dry. In the meantime, I worked with the metal dies, and I wanted to have some different shapes in pink and floral design paper. And now I'm going for my stamp, the heart stamps, and just want to have this pretty pink color on the pale pink and the pastel tones, and I really like how we get yeah, a new design here in different shades of pink, and I want to use these pieces on my page in combination with some frames which I created using the metal dies as well, and yeah, this way I have different sizes and shapes in the end. So I also want to do some hand stitching on my page, so I am preparing this cardstock piece for hand stitching, and just want to make sure that I get the stitches right on point. So I prepared this in advance, and now I put all my pieces here on the cardstock to see how it might look like in the end. So I want to use pattern paper as a frame, and now I place all my die cut pieces or my metal die cut pieces here on the cardstock. And you see that I also use the negatives, and this helps me to create a light design. Not too much paper here on this page, but I want to add some embellishments later, of course. I just try different versions. You see that I have just worked with two different papers. One is taken from the Pocket Pages kit, and the pale pink, light pink is a piece from the cardstock kit. And yeah, now I want to do my stitching, and I am going for the stamped cardstock arch where I want to put my picture on. So first of all, I fix the negative to this cardstock piece, and now I want to see how much of stitching I need to do. So I want to prepare my picture first. Stitching always takes some time, but I think that it's really worth it, because it adds detail and different texture and dimension to your page. And yeah, you can make it easier if you just stitch those parts of the paper that can be seen in the end. So yeah, I use the chipboard frame here for my picture, and now I try to see where I need to do some stitching. Also want to add one of those fuzzy cut flowers, and I can do my stitching now. Those fuzzy cut flowers are leftovers from my last layout, so you get plenty of flowers if you do some fuzzy cutting from one of the pattern papers, and you can use them on so many different projects. So it is a nice addition to all the other embellishments that we get in the kit. And I also think that the color range here fits perfectly. You see, I'm just working with shades of pink and blue, and some of those fuzzy cut flowers come in exactly this color range. So it's perfect for this page as well. So now I start my stitching. I just fix the twine here at the back of my cardstock piece, and now I can start hand stitching everything up. And let me finish this. I don't want you to have to watch all the process, so I fast forward it a bit. And here is my finished cardstock piece. I place it here into the negative and can add my picture my picture on top of it. And I like the combination of those two cardstock pieces with the heart stamped design and the flowers, and I think that this matches perfectly. So now the fun starts, and I add some embellishments here and there, taken from the die cut pieces from the main kit, and some fuzzy cut flowers. And also, of course, I want to add a title later, so I have to get everything in place first. The title most of the time is something I do at the very end, because first of all I have to see where all my embellishments go. And I think that the title can be placed on top of the embellishments as well. So going for the embellishments first is a good idea. And I also add some of those chipboard pieces here and there to have different shapes and textures and different embellishments. And now I can add the title, working with those alphabet stickers from the main kit. And this is in addition with the chipboard piece. So I'm not quite sure about the butterfly, but I think it stays there. And this is almost the finished page. I just add a few details here and there as a finishing touch, like one of those stickers, phrase stickers. Just cut it apart and can add more details this way. And then I also really want to add some of those ombre foam stickers. I love those hearties. I think I used them on all my layouts so far, but still have plenty of them left, so there will be even more on my next projects, I guess. Well, I just need to add some journaling, and then I think my page is finished. You see that working with dies and stems can add a personal touch to your pages, and you can create your own special embellishments, and this is how my layout turned out in the end. Well, if you enjoyed the process, leave me a comment or ask questions if you want to know something Make sure to stop by the YouTube channel now and then for more inspiration, and don't miss out all the other kits. Thanks so much for watching and take care. Bye bye.